Hi. Hold, 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 hold. Dead. Good dog. Good dog. Dead. Huh. What the French? That was it, huh?
That's crazy. That's
Right? She was back and forth, so I mean. Randy.
I decided I needed 5 shots.
Maybe not.
I know, that's all I feel. I'm like, shit. 2 is really hard to hunt.
Yeah, maybe Randy. No? Randy, Randy, shoot it! Oh! That was awesome. Dead. Good dog. Good dog. Good dog. Stop. That was awesome. I think I skinned him a little bit when I shot, but I think you finished him off because he head dove, didn't he?
Oh yeah. It was kind of weird how he just...
He just went. But you hit him, I think, didn't you?
Well, I don't know if it was blinking, but I mean, the day when I shot.
Hey, you shot and he like face planted. That was hilarious. I hope I got that on video.